Hello, it's Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Time to talk about how to improve your golf game from your backyard. That's right, with a putting green. So I'm going to talk really quickly about how putting greens are installed and what are some of the optional features you can get on a putting green, and finally, what do they cost? So putting greens like this one are going to run about $20 to $25 a square foot install. This one's a pretty basic one. You have your putting surface, then you have a little bit of rough. And the way they're put together is you outline the area, and I always recommend putting a border on it, like this wonderful paver mow strip. And then you backfill that with some Class 2 road base. You want to make sure to compact that down really nicely, and then you're going to bring in some leveling sand, and from there you add the putting green surfaces. Now here's where I always like to encourage folks to do at least two different kinds of surfaces. The first one is the actual putting green surface, but if you really want to work on your game, work on putting from a rougher surface. So here's where you pick a regular artificial turf that you might use for a lawn and use it as a simulated rough area around the putting green. Once you're done with all of that and nailing all of that down, then you backfill it with some typically putting green sand to, get the grass to look more realistic and bend and move a little bit. So that's why it's going to cost between $20 and $25 a square foot. Now you could also, think, well, I don't have enough space. You can build little retaining walls to create some flat space. And I do encourage you to also do, 2 or 3 holes per putting green as well. So one more thing you can do to make it even more interesting, if you have the space, is throw in some sand traps. You can practice pitching out of those sand traps into those putting green areas. So a couple tips on how to improve your golf game from your own backyard. Big thank you to Unique Landscaping, who did a great job on some of these putting greens. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to get more of my garden videos. Until next time, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.